Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best drone review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Gracuati KF103 Max Drone Camera. KF103 Max Drone, with 4K camera equipped with a 3-axis mechanically stabilized gimbal, which makes photos and videos achieve incredible stability. 90-degree adjustable 4K camera with 120-degree lens and super large sensor aperture brings you prominent night scene shooting. 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables clearer and farther FPV images transmission. This drone provides high-performance battery with 1500 mAh offers a flight time of 25 minutes. Strong power will make the drone good performance indoor and outdoor flying. It also brushless motor and integrated blades make your flight more stable and powerful. It supports GPS system, can hover steadily indoor and outdoor. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. The drone will automatically return and land to the takeoff point after you press this button. Number 4. LOGIO HELLS Drone. Faith 2 built-in 4K HD camera gimbal with 90-degree adjustable angle FPV real-time transmission. It is equipped with 4K camera, tuned amazingly to capture pictures and videos from the sky. It also large capacity 3100 mAh battery modular batteries, which has increased the flight time up to 35 minutes. It also brushless motor with more power. Level 7 strong wind resistance, can be transported 30,000 hours. This drone GPS assisted intelligent flight system, never worry about lose the drone. The drone will return automatically when the signal is lost, the battery is low power, or you press one key return button. The portable and foldable structure is designed for your convenience and brings longer lasting fun to you and your family. Number 3. LOGIO HELLS LS8000 Drone. This drone provides 4K dual camera ESC remote control 90-degree control lens with high-definition lens, real-time image transmission, 120-degree super wide-angle shooting range. Record every wonderful moment. Easily stage 360-degree stunts in the air with one-click turning and scrolling work without tedious manipulation. This drone using smarter optical flow positioning technology with 4K HD dual camera and smart hover positioning. Simple to get started and easy to operate. It also brushless motors offer more efficient flight performance, less noise, longer lifespan, and fewer maintenance issues than standard brushed motors. Intelligent 2200 mAh batteries extend your flights up to 20 minutes. The camera drone can reach live video and image transmission distance up to 300 meters. With stronger GPS positioning, can hover stably to catch clearer images and return to home precisely. Number 2. DEEPBOND KFF101 Drone. This drone provides 4K high-definition front camera together with 720-pixel bottom camera, can capture stunning sharp and vivid images with real color resolution. The 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal brings a more effective anti-shake effect, easily filtering out the image vibration caused by the outside. Professional 4K anti-shake camera with 120-degree wide angle can adjust 90-degree, recording every wonderful moment, feeling the unbelievable beauty in ultra-high definition. 5G Wi-Fi high-speed image transmission without delay. Enjoy real-time images. Trough app, more powerful and much less noisy. Brushless motors also improve the wind resistance at high altitude. They could stay fast and reliable even at tough weather conditions. Plus, motors have longer time span and save you from motor maintenance. This drone 2500 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes flight time with stronger GPS positioning, can hover stably to catch clearer images and return to home precisely. Number 1. Gracuati KF102 Drone. The KF102 drone is equipped with a 120 wide-angle 4K HD camera including adjustable angle, which captures high-quality video and clear aerial photos. The Wi-Fi real-time transmission FPV system can connect to your phone with the drone, and the view will be shown directly on your phone. This drone pressing just one button take off and land like a pro every time. One key 360-degree rolling makes your drone flying even more dynamic. Together with headless mode enables pilots of any level to fly the drone with ease. It also large capacity 7.4 volt 2200 mAh large capacity modular battery, long battery life and easy replacement, and flight time 25 minutes. It also GPS positioning gives you the precise positioning details of the drone, keeping track of the position of the drone and providing the automatic return function. And it has a terrific return to home point and a new more precise landing technology.